Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I noticed my stainless steel cut glove is starting to wear out. It's getting a little hole in the end there. Not a big deal. I let the sponsor know and they've sent me some more of these gloves. This is an unusual glove, by the way. This is 100% made in USA, braided stainless steel. It stops knives. So it's a great tool to have if you know someone who does a lot of cooking. Mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, niece, nephew, whoever it is. Maybe it's just the girl next door. You want to give a gift to them, so this is the perfect thing. Watch this. This knife is a layered Damascus Japanese knife. This knife is kind of like the GTR or Ferrari or Rolls-Royce of knives. Super, super sharp. Very, very expensive. I think this one's over $200. Look, safe, no cuts. My hands are very valuable. I don't like them cut. That's why I wear the glove. You wear the glove on the opposite hand when you're doing your dicing and slicing so that you can't cut yourself. This stops knives. Now, some people don't believe it, so here, I'll switch it to the other hand. It's reversible. And I got this other Japanese knife. What do we have here? Nakano. Nakano sent me the knife to test out. It's a Santoku. It's okay on a 1 to 10. I give this knife a solid 8. Let's check out the Nakano sharpness. Yeah, it's kind of like a Lexus, or at least a really nice Nissan Maxima. It's in the knife category. It's sharp. It's looking good, and this stops the cuts. There's no cuts. Hit your fingers, no problem. So this one's worn out. So what do? Visit the sponsor. The gloves come large, like I wear. I have a big hand and big feet. Size 12 feet. Large hands. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good to go. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Yeah, why buy the garbage over there? That's not going to be made in USA. Braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Oh, yeah. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow. I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. In this video, I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife. Love it. This one's going on about 10 years. Just keeps going. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,